Hey, in today's video, I am teaming up with Tagoffroad and Brian DeVito here at Tomball Ford to showcase two vehicles, and he has upfitted one of them with a special package. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I'm your sales consultant. I am located in Tomball Ford. Tomball, Texas is your dealership of choice. Welcome to yet another video. Hey, in this video, I am joining up with Brian DeVito. He is our accessory expert, and behind me, I've got two vehicles, and we're gonna do a somewhat of a detailed walk around, telling you guys know what we did on those Broncos and what you guys can do on your Broncos or any build for that matter. And I'm gonna invite Brian DeVito into frame. Brian, man, come on, what's going on,
Jorge,
brother?
how are you, social media family? How's everyone doing today? We have some very special vehicles that I want to showcase and show everybody today. Some things that we've done, something that nobody's really done on these vehicles.
Oh my God, really?
So it's really special, these two vehicles that we've done. Love for everybody to see what we have here today.
Absolutely. So without further ado, let us show you what we've got in store for you guys.
Just wanted to show you, this is the 2022 Powerboost XLT F150. What's very special about this build that we did right here, this is a 20-inch wheel, leveled F150. It does have a 295/60/20. It has a Recon, the new Recon grapplers, which are an amazing tire. Great for off-road, great for on the road. But what makes this vehicle special right here is we have one of the first Powerboost F150s that has the Amp aftermarket power running boards mounted to this vehicle. This doesn't happen. It can't be done. Look them up on ampresearch.com. You will see in the notes, will not work on a Powerboost F150.
Wait.
What? You heard that. Will not work on a Powerboost F150, but you have it right here. This right here will work indeed on a Powerboost F150. This does have the lights on it. They are made by Amp Research. There is quite a bit of things you have to do to get this to work. There's a lot of battery packs. All the lines for the battery packs do go down the frame of the vehicle. It does go through a lot of the framework, stuff like that, that's on there. So a lot of things had to be modified on this vehicle, which makes this vehicle very special. I do want to show you a couple other accessories that we did put on this vehicle. One of them is the power bed cover. So you do have a remote. Hold the button down, bed cover opens, makes it real easy to get inside. Another feature we did on this is the bed rug. This vehicle is equipped with a 7.2 kilowatt generator, which is the largest generator that you can actually get on the Powerboost. What's very nice about this is the client wanted something very simple, very clean on the back. Doesn't like bed liners because he's like, man, I don't use them that much. He goes, I want something that's very soft, something I can jump into the bed if I want to relax back there, whatever he wants to do back there. So we did put the nice, smooth, carpeted bed rug back here with the power bed cover. With the push of a button, you can close it. So that's what makes this vehicle really special. From someone telling me that, no, you can't install the power running boards, you know, they won't work. Oh, give me every option, everything, every reason why they won't work, and makes me want to figure out a way to get them for y'all so that when you want the power running boards there.
So Brian, tell us about the warranty, man, because I'm assuming because we do it here at a Ford dealership, they are backed up, everybody's backed up with a warranty, aren't they?
Oh, 100%. I will back everything that we did to this vehicle. It's a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on the vehicle. I will protect everything that's on the vehicle through us here, through the dealership, through Tomball Ford and Tagoffroad. Come see us, get your power running boards on your 2022 Powerboost F150. It will work. We can do them right now, today. Come see us.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm excited. I am wanting to talk about the next vehicle so bad because that's another first.
Another very first. A lot of people say that can't be done. There's no option.
Okay.
I know a lot of people have been asking about this option.
Okay.
Come right this way.
All right, come on. Okay, all right, so now we've got this beautiful first edition, and pardon the wind, it's very windy out here, but hey, we're doing this for you guys, so give us a like if you're liking the content. So, hey Brian, tell us, what the heck did you do to this first edition Bronco?
So, on this Bronco, I want to let a lot of people know that there's not many options out there for any kind of running boards on these. There's a few. Enfab makes a really nice rock slider side step that's available in gloss, also available in textured. Rock Slide Engineering has some running boards that are a rock slider and a power side step that are very hard to find, but they're available. But this right here is one of your first 2022 Bronco first editions that does have the power running board, strictly power running boards installed on it. This is awesome. These running boards do show online that they're available. They're not available. You can't get them yet. We have done one.
So how is it not available and yet people can get them?
So, call me. Call me.
Okay.
Tagoffroad, Tomball Ford, Jorge Lopez. Smash that like button.
So
we can do it.
We're not really revealing the secret sauce to this, right? They
No.
have to contact you
Yes.
in order to have Amp Research power running boards installed on the freaking Ford Bronco.
That is 100% correct. Hit that like button, call that number, 281-351-3000. Power running boards, strictly power running boards. Come down, lights on them, really nice running boards available right now.
So what else can folks inquire about on a Ford Bronco? What else can we do on a Ford Bronco for accessories?
Well, it depends on how much time I have on this video.
Okay,
We
okay.
can do so much stuff to these Broncos, from lift kits, different wheel and tire packages. There's so many different light bars you can add, pillar pod lights, front clear bras. It is endless on these amazing vehicles. Call us. Let's make it the way you want it.
Absolutely, and that is the reason why we want you guys to contact this guy. This guy is our accessory director. How long have you been with Tomball Ford?
Tomball Ford now 15 years.
All right, so hey, listen, thank you very much for tuning in. We just wanted to spend a few moments to show you what we can do with accessories. So make sure you contact Tagoffroad. What's the number that they can contact you at here at the dealership?
281-351-3000.
Email.
bdevito@tomballford.com. Also, do me one favor. Hit the like button. Smash that like button. Like.
You heard him. And make sure that you share this video so that other people that have an F-150, that have a Ford Bronco, can accessorize with Tagoffroad. Let us know in the comment section below, what do you guys think about the Amp Research on a Ford Bronco, the Amp Research on a Powerboost? They said it cannot be done, but yet we have it here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a blessed day, and on to the next video.
We'll see you soon.